So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another exciting tutorial. Because today I'll show you how to automate bulk images and videos on Google Whisk, meaning you can generate images and videos just with one click, and you can generate as many as you want without any limits. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you are going to find this feature built into the actual Whisk website. Open up your browser and head straight to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Auto Whisk. Look for the official extensions, click on it, and then smash that Add to Chrome button. Once it installs, make sure you pin it to your browser toolbar so you can have quick access to it. Now, open up the Google Whisk dashboard and log into your account. Now, click on your brand new Auto Whisk extension icon at the top right corner of your browser. This will open up a custom prompt box. Instead of typing one idea at a time, you can literally pass the entire list of dozens or even hundreds of different prompts directly into this box. It handles both image generations and the new video outputs seamlessly. Finally, once your massive list of prompts is locked in, just hit the Start button at the bottom of the extension. That is it. You can literally just take your hands off the keyboard. The extension will automatically feed your prompts into Whisk. Wait for the AI to generate the media. Auto-download it, yes, auto-download the media and the files directly to your PC, and move on to the next prompt on your list. This will be in a whip. You won't even feel it. So all you have to do is wait. Run this right now and stockpile your AI assets before Whisk shuts down for good. If this automation trick saved you hours of clicking today, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next AI tutorial.